Yeah, welcome. The leader. I am still leading.
Part of our consultation, we're starting off with former presidents, and we're here to see President Goodluck, let him know what our plans are regarding their task force, and also to hear his own views and advice of what we need to do and how we need to strengthen the party and reconcile for unity and focus for the party. And it was very, very useful meeting, as you see, it took us close to an hour and a half. She spoke, it was his views. We felt very happy. It reassured all of us a strong commitment to the PDP that he's still ready to offer his time, his experience, his resources to strengthen the party. That was very strong and important for us because, as you know, there's a lot of funny stories going around, but we left here very, very happy with level. Not only that, also ready to see how we work with the reconciliation committee to play his own role. So that today we believe is a great step for the party. We'll put that behind us, all those of the other parties that want like to come and disturb our leaders. So our leaders are here, we're all working for this great party. So I think I've spoken what we talked about. I've covered what we spoke about. We're here to talk about the party. We're talking about what role we're going to play in reconciliation of different parts of the party, what role people like former president like himself will play. And he left us feeling very happy that yes, he wants to play that role in PDP at the end of the party and helping us this committee.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.